On an Android phone, sometimes when you're deleting a file or deleting an app, you can hear a sound. But if you don't want this sound, you can disable it. In this video, we'll show you how to disable the delete sound on your Android phone. For this, open Settings. When you're in Settings, you can see the search option. Tap on it and search for delete. When you search for delete, you'll see the delete sound option. Just tap on it, and depending on the brand, the settings might look a little different. And in POCO branded phones, the settings look like this. Anyway, on every branded phone, you'll see similar settings. You just need to type delete sound. And when you tap on that, you'll reach a page like this or something very similar. In POCO phones, this setting is under additional settings. Anyway, here you can see the delete sound option. If it's turned on, all you need to do is disable it. After that, you won't hear the delete sound anymore when you're deleting anything. So this is how you can easily disable the delete sound on your Android phone. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.